We are currently witnessing the largest reorganization of the space program that we have ever seen. The shuttles were America's primary means of getting to space for over 30 years. I actually went and visited the space shuttle. Happiest day of my life. NASA has remained exempt from party politics until only recently. When President Bush announced the retirement of the space shuttle, Democrats had nothing good to say about it. And when Obama announced in 2010 to continue with the retirement of the space shuttle, Republicans were outraged. Well, that's politics for you. Despite the politics, the shuttles had achievements in space that were unprecedented. They led to breakthroughs in science and our understanding of human health in space. They built the International Space Station in collaboration with 15 other nations to create a constant human presence in space. The shuttles expanded human accomplishment in space like never before.
Start.
With the retirement of the space shuttles, America lost its dominance in space exploration. So why were they retired? Because the technology in them was decades old, and they did not have the capability to go beyond low Earth orbit. So NASA let Russia shuttle our astronauts to and from the space station, while it got busy planning manned missions with an entirely new launch system and capsule. While working on that, NASA became a pioneer in Earth science, launching over 80 spacecraft dedicated to studying Earth from the vantage point of space to help scientists uncover the reality of climate change. While NASA was laying low, it continuously had to fight off budget cuts from Congress, which has and continues to stunt its capabilities. While making preparations for future deep space missions, NASA encouraged companies such as SpaceX and Boeing to begin developing their own spacecraft to commercialize and expand human presence in space. NASA plans to have these companies take over the ferrying of astronauts to and from the space station, with the first mission planned in 2017. These companies handling space transit in low Earth orbit, NASA can focus on pioneering deep space missions. NASA is currently in the mid-stages of developing the Orion space capsule, which can carry 7 brave astronauts further into space than ever before. This capsule was tested for the first time just last year. To propel them into deep space, an entirely new launch system is being developed, which will become the most powerful rocket ever made. NASA's plan is to capture an asteroid, bring it into the orbit of the Moon, and have astronauts visit it to take samples by the mid-2020s. After that, in the early 2030s, NASA plans to send the first crew of humans to Mars, marking the beginning of us becoming a multi-planetary species.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.